George, there's some exciting news coming. We're almost up to the 3 years again, and
Don't
September
tell me.
2018, we
Rhinoplasty course is back
Rhinoplasty
on.
again.
Well, I'm looking forward to that,
Well, who
Peter.
have we got coming along?
We've got Rick Davis. I'm very excited about getting him in from Miami.
Has Rick been to Australia before?
He hasn't, and he's looking forward to coming. And he's got a
Fantastic.
series of techniques that other people have done separately, but the way he puts them together is very unique.
Excellent. Anybody coming back from our last conference?
We've got Dean Toriumi coming back.
Well, that'll be a card drawer. That'll get a few along again, I think.
Yes, yeah, he's a big fan.
He was outstanding.
He's a big fan of Australia, and he's got a lot of fans here as well.
Now, we've got some new people coming from Europe who we haven't had in Australia before.
Yes,
So
we've
who
got
are they?
Milos Kovacevic.
A great thinker, innovator from Hamburg in Germany, I believe.
Correct,
Yes.
although he does have a Serbian background.
He does have a Serbian background. And
Charles East from England.
Charles East, wonderful facial plastic surgeon from London, who has some great ideas, and we've both seen him speak.
Yes.
And we've got a Parisian this time.
Yes, we've got Olivier Gerbeau. And he's the
Fantastic.
one who's really, I think, pushed the specialty forward with his use of the piezotome for the bony work.
Excellent, and that is a revolutionary change, isn't it? Now, no rhinoplasty conference is complete without having somebody from Turkey. Do we have any Turks coming?
Yes, we've got Göksel Abdul Kadir.
Fantastic.
And he's also a great thinker and innovator.
That's right, and we met him in
Paris.
Chicago.
And
in
Chicago.
Paris. That's right, because we were both there, weren't we?
We were. Because we've been scouring the world to get the best surgeons to come to this conference for you.
And we have been looking for these speakers for how many years now? Probably 8, 9 years, been going to every conference we can, getting the best speakers along, and this time they're all coming to Australia, which is great.
We'll see
So
you
look
there
forward to seeing you
in Sydney,
September 2018.
Thank you.